Why is prep so important to a successful floor coating install? Well, it's all about the pores. You see, polyaspartic flooring material needs to be able to soak into the concrete's pores to make a strong bond with it. So we use this seriously heavy-duty industrial grinder to scarify the surface and open up the pores, as well as remove any other imperfections. It takes lots of training and experience to do it right. Once the surface is prepped, we can apply the polyaspartic material. And if the floor is prepped right, it'll bond with it and stand up to years of wear and tear without debonding or delaminating. It's the main reason why this definitely isn't a DIY job, because it's not just using the right flooring material or even having the right tools. It's about the experience. As they say, if you want professional results, hire a professional.